If you've been looking for a set of RGB fans for your computer, then stick around as we take a look at the GIM KB24 case fans. The KB24 are a set of 5 120mm ARGB addressable fans for your computer. They come with a wireless RF remote control and a control module so that you can easily manage all lighting and speed features either from the remote or your motherboard software. Let's have a look at what comes in the package. Inside we have the 5 RGB fans, the screws for mounting, the fan control module, which uses a standard SATA connector to power everything. Next, we have the ARGB extension cable to link the fan controller to your motherboard. Then there's the wireless RF remote control. And finally, a quick user guide. The control module allows you to connect up to 10 individual fans and 2 LED strips to maximize the cooling and lighting on your computer. As mentioned before, the module can also be connected to your motherboard's 5V ARGB header, which will allow you to sync everything from your RGB software without the need to use the remote control. However, if your motherboard does not have an RGB header, then these are a great option to add RGB to your computer, and you can control everything from one single remote control and add more modules as needed. With the remote, you can choose the lighting effects between any solid color, the different program presets, and even create and store your own combinations. You can also use the remote control to change the light's brightness and speed, as well as changing the fan's RPM speed. The controller also has 3 music presets that use a sound sensor in the control module that will change the lights in real time according to the sounds or music that is playing on your computer speakers, which gives you a nice and immersive effect when playing games, watching movies, or playing music. In the end, whether you already have RGB components in your computer or if you are new to it all, these GIM fans are a great way to give new life to your computer. They are easy to use and can sync with your existing ARGB setup or start from scratch even if you've never used RGB before. If you'd like to check out the GIM's KB24, you can click on the links provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this content, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon for more. I'll see you soon on our next review.